Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this KIMAFUN microphone has been a total lifesaver for me. If you do any recording or content creating, you know how frustrating it is to have background noise that you have very little control over. I live in a tiny, remote town, but since I've lived here, I have had to contend with all-terrain vehicles going, chainsaws running, strong howling winds, dogs barking, derby cars being test driven, and my husband talking loudly in his office. This microphone ensures that I can mostly or totally block out that unwanted noise. It comes with so many handy accessories, and I especially love the fluffy windshield that I can attach to the microphone. I do live in a windy area, so this really helps me when I'm filming outdoors. If I want the microphone to be more discreet, it also comes with a little small corded microphone attachment. I can easily plug that into the receiver and either put it in my pocket or clip it onto my pants. The transmitter, the microphone receiver, and all of the attachments and cords comes in this really secure zippered case. This makes it so much less likely that I will lose any of the important pieces, and it also protects everything that's in there. Having this microphone kit is so easy to pack in my suitcase and take with me, and gives me so much peace of mind. The microphone receiver and the transmitter has amazing range. Just check out what I mean for yourself. I know you can hear me now. How about now? What about now? That you can still hear me. No matter where I go or what's going on around me now, you can bring on the background noise because I'm totally equipped to deal with it thanks to this KIMAFUN microphone. And that's my point of view.